What's up, guys? It's Cody Smith here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to dip in school. But first, I'm going to pack us some Grizzly Wintergreen. Well, damn, Cody, don't get half the damn can. Alright, so teach you how to dip in school. Because if you're like me, which, I'm not in school anymore. I'll be 19 this March 3rd. But if you were like me when I was, 18, when I just turned 18, I could buy my own cans, legally. I always try and dip in school. And so, what I'm about to show you is a trick I learned. Now, I don't mean this to be rude, but if you get caught, it's on you, not me. Because you have to do this extra careful because you don't want to draw any unwanted attention to you. So, now, let's take this. Now, I know it's a spit bottle, but let's take this Gatorade bottle, or this Dr. Pepper bottle, for example. Now, this is a 1 liter, but let's say it's, this is a 1 liter, but let's say it's a regular size. What you want to do is you want to drink your Dr. Pepper down to about here. And then what you do is when you go to spit, you act like you take a drink, so you lean it over like you're drinking, and you wait for the liquid to drain into the top. Now you got to do this fast. When the liquid touches your lip, like right in there, before it goes into your mouth, you don't want it going into your mouth, but you don't want it, because then it'll be harder to spit, but you don't want it just barely touching your lip, because then you'll be able to see it. So you kind of want it just resting on the top of your lip there, like this. And you want to spit as soon as it touches the top of your lip, like this. Like that. As soon as it touches the top of your lip, you spit, and then put your cap back on. Just act like you took a quick sip, because your spit will be the same color as the Dr. Pepper. So, they won't be able to tell the difference. And plus, it's down here, by the label, so they can't really tell. And your drink will actually wash your dip grinds, if you want to call them that, and then wash your dip grinds down with it. Another thing I used to like to do, and my teachers didn't find this suspicious, because I used to always drink out of my coffee cup. I'd take the lid off, because the lid on my coffee cup jammed. So it jammed shut, so I have to take the lid off. Now, personally, I don't like coffee being straight black. But what I would do is I would make my coffee straight black for that day. I'd drink about half of it and let it go cold. And then I'd act like I was taking a drink and spit. And my teachers didn't think much of it, because, like I said, I used to always drink black coffee. So that's 2 ways you can dip in school. And please put your dipping in the bathroom so that it won't smell. Now, if you dip, it's not smart to dip in school, but, that's just the most searched topic. So that's 2 ways I've done it, and I never got caught. But so if you get caught, it's on you. And put your dipping in the bathroom so they can't smell it. Anyways, this is Cody Smith from Rednecks Unlimited, signing out.